Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the wiring standard, 568A or 568B, so termination matches the network. Strip the jacket about 1/2 inch. Make sure pairs remain twisted as much as possible to preserve performance. Once aligned, seat each conductor into its matching IDC slot. You should be able to see the color order clearly. Hold the cable steady with one hand so the conductors stay seated. Then, bring the punch-down tool perpendicular to the block, ready to make the first decisive strike. Now focus on the punch technique. Choose the blade for Rj45 IDC and set it for cut if needed. Position the tool so the cutting edge faces the waist, then apply a firm, single smooth motion. Don't jab repeatedly. The tool should press the wire into the contact and trim the excess flush with the block. This ensures reliable contact and prevents shorts. Once done, visually inspect every termination for full seating, and make sure no copper strands are loose or bridging adjacent slots. Finish by running a cable tester to verify continuity, pair integrity, and wiring order. Testers catch split pairs and opens fast. If a fault appears, go back and reseat the affected conductor, trim any stray copper, and repunch with a fresh cut. Do not repunch repeatedly in the same spot. Make sure you never untwist more than 1/2 inch. Excessive untwist degrades performance. If multiple terminations fail on the block, replace the block. It's cheaper than intermittent network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.